So this macro is one of the more exciting ones as it doesn't have a definitive use. On our team, we like to think of it as one of our hybrid macros, as depending on the project or goal, it can be used either as a visual page element or a contextual one. I'll show you. To get started with this macro, we'll first need to navigate to edit mode. Then, on our page, we can type /banner to place this macro. In the editor, over in the preview, you'll first notice that our banner is made up of slides. And if you take a close look, you'll notice that each slide is made up of components. This allows us to configure each slide in our banner using a completely independent structure. So, start with a plan. What are your aims? Knowing this will inform the number of slides that you need and how each of them needs to be configured over here. For instance, let's create a banner with the goal of optimizing this team wiki, and let's keep it simple. So my aims here are to improve visibility of relevant contents, such as this resource hub, and I'd also like to promote awareness of things happening across the company, in hopes of improving longer-term engagement. So we could start by simply introducing readers to this wiki. And since slide components are pre-selected for us, we can just remove any components that we don't need, like button. Moving on, we'll use themes to add contrast to our slide. And let's quickly swap the default background image with one of our own. And we're now ready to add some context. So let's give this team a brief overview of what they can expect to find here. And that's the first slide set up. I'll quickly edit the remaining slides in line with the aims that we've outlined earlier. Done. Using slide components, we've created 3 slides types or configurations that supports our content in slightly different ways. And of course, as our team's needs change, we can return here to edit, remove, or add new slides. But for now, let's save what we have and publish to see the results. As you've seen, an interactive banner can be configured and used in several ways. Use it as a visual element, such as a page header, or a contextual one, used to spotlight and signpost to related information, as we've just done. So play around and be creative with it.